Hi, Assalamualaikum gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Najwa. I'm a makeup lover who always play around with different styles of makeup. So last week, my mentor from the Makeup Academy gave all of her students, including me, an assignment, which is recreating her bridal look. That's why in today's video, I want to share with you the look that I've recreated. I consider this look as a simple yet sweat-proof bridal look. With that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, first I'm just gonna spray the matte setting spray by Maybelline. By doing this, I believe that my base will stay better on my skin even when I'm sweating heavily. You can check out my other video on how I prep my skin before makeup by clicking the link above. Once the product soaked into my skin, I start off by taking NYX's liquid illuminator in the coat Pure Gold and apply it all over my face using a flat synthetic brush by Elianto. You can mix it with foundation first. For me, I just want to apply it directly. No obvious reason. I always do this glowing from within technique whenever I feel like I want to look extra glam on that particular days. Once that is done, I apply my favorite full coverage foundation by Phoera Beauty in the shade 105 Sand. As most of you know by now, this is my ultimate favorite full coverage foundation after m.a.c Studio Fix Fluid and Rimmel Match Perfection. It is also photo friendly because it doesn't create flashback that can ruin your bridal photos. At first, I apply the foundation using the same flat brush. Then, I buff my face using an angled kabuki brush by Sisters Beauty. This is to make sure that any streaks or lines made by the flat brush is smoothed out nicely. Then I'm taking Dermacol Full Coverage Concealer in coat 213 to brighten up my under eyes as well as covering up my blemishes. This is actually a cream-based concealer slash foundation. You can use liquid-based concealer if your blemishes aren't too visible like mine. Or you can cover up using the corrector first and then layer it up with concealer. Either way, the results are still the same. I use a small flat kabuki brush by Sigma to apply it on affected areas, then buff it out using the same angle brush to blend all the products smoothly. To get a long-lasting makeup, especially on your big day, it is advisable to wear cream products. That includes your shading. So I take this Dream Matte Mousse Foundation by Maybelline in the coat Caramel and use it as my shading. I love to use mousse products because you can easily blend it and reapply it several layers without having the product become chalky. Best of all, it stays really well to your skin. Next, I set my cream base with Fair Tone of Loose Powder by Revlon. Some people hate the baking technique because it makes their skin looks really dry. As for me, I usually bake whenever I apply heavy makeup. It is to ensure that my makeup stays longer throughout the day. But make sure that you always have your face mist close to you so that whenever you feel like your face becomes dry, you can just give a quick spritz. For the shading area, I set the mousse product by applying a darker tone of powder from NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. This is to make sure that I don't lose the shading that I've just made. Now I know I look really crazy with all this powder, but trust me, it will look better once we're done. I let all the powder products set on my face while I start doing my eye makeup. As usual, I do my other eye as reference. So starting from brow, I apply Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade Coat Chocolate using a small thin angle brush. Looking back at this video, I think there's something wrong with my pomade. I never have this kind of problem before. Somehow my brows looks like orangey or pinkish or whatever, but doesn't matter, it still look really messed up. So yeah, I probably have to change my brow pomade after this. I don't know, it just looked really weird in the camera. Moving on, I take Dermacol Concealer in coat 211 and apply it directly on my whole lid up to my brow bone. Don't forget to buff it out nicely. The first eyeshadow I use is from James Charles X Morphe eyeshadow palette called Flashback. This one goes straight to my brow bone. Next, I take a Thylian pink eyeshadow from Phoera Beauty nude palette called Tickle and apply it on my whole lid. At first, I apply it using 213 brush by m.a.c. Then I use a fluffy blending brush by Sisters Beauty to blend the pink smoothly up to my crease. For my lower lashes, I apply a dark brown called Raw from the same palette. Since this is a bridal look, I think it's a must to add glitter eyeshadow. So before doing so, I apply glitter glue by NYX Cosmetics only in the middle of the lid. Using a short shader brush by Essence Cosmetics, I take some champagne color glitter called Crave and place it where I put my glitter glue. Then I also add some of it to the inner corner of my eyes. On my upper lashes, I use a black liquid eyeliner by Miss Teen, creating a simple basic eyeliner. No drama this time. On my lower waterline, I use a cream white color pencil eyeliner by Deborah Milano. I reapply Raw to darken up my lower lashes to give the white eyeliner looks more contour. Next, I curl my upper lashes and apply several coats of mascara on my upper and lower lashes using D&M Beauty 4-in-1 mascara. Once that is done, I use this Demi Wispies falsies that I bought from Shopee. As usual, I'm gonna put all the product links in the description box below. I want to use individual falsies because I love how natural it looks, but then I know that I'm still struggling to learn how to stick it to my lashes. But anyway, I think this falsie is still doing a good job. It's lightweight, the length is appropriate enough for a sweet and innocent look, and it's made out of human hair. So that means it doesn't bounce back any flash in front of camera lighting or natural lighting. Then I darken up my upper waterlines using a pencil eyeliner by Maybelline. The eye makeup is done. Now moving on to my face, I contour my cheeks using the same NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and an angle brush from Unicorn collection. Next, I add some blush called Sienna by Bourjois on the highest points of my cheeks using the same shading brush. I then brush off the excess powder using a big tapered powder brush from Sisters Beauty. Oh, and don't forget to add some highlight on the tip of the nose and also the nose bridge. Finally, for my lips, I apply a lip matte called Brown Sugar by Kylie Cosmetics. Spritz another layer of setting spray and the makeup look is done. So there you have it. This is my idea of effortless, timeless, fresh bridal makeup look which suits most of Asian skin tone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I congratulate you for your upcoming weddings. Have a happy married life. As usual, please take care of yourself during this crazy pandemic situation. Be kind, have empathy towards others, and stay safe. Don't forget to hit like button and notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!